Hey, how's it going? Before we jump into the content, I just want to take a minute to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking out the content. If you like this content and you want to support more content like it, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also check out the YouTube membership program and cybertrainingpro.com, where I put practice exams and other things that I couldn't put on YouTube. Again, regardless of how you support the channel and my content, I couldn't be more appreciative. Thank you so much, and let's get into the content. Once the receiving system has all the data reassembled, it has to connect the files and the data to the right programs or applications, and that happens on the session layer. On your computer, go ahead and open up either a command prompt window or a terminal and type netstat-a on Windows and SS on Linux, and you can see all the different sessions on your system that are running right now. Two of the most common statuses that you're going to see are listening, which means it's open for a connection, and established, meaning that there's an active connection. The session layer initiates sessions, it accepts incoming sessions, and it will open and close existing sessions.